Hi, I'm Karthik, developer and trainer at Sukshmas. So in my channel, you will learn about the C, Java and project-based learning, and it will be helpful for your placement stuffs and all. So here you will learn how to form the MCQ and how to solve the MCQs related stuff. So that will be helpful for your placement as well as the internship preparation. And also by using this modification strategies of the MCQs and all, you can post those questions into the Sukshmas platform so that you will get the very good quality bonus and you can get the very good rewards at Sukshmas.
Hi everyone, welcome to C Programming Aptitude session. This is the first question. Int I is equal to 0, I plus plus, if I less than or equal to 5, end with the semicolon. If is end with semicolon, print of C, exit of 0, main, return 0. Predict the output of this code. These are all the following options. First option is compile time error, second option is C, third option is no output, and fourth option is C will be printing 5 times. You can pause this video, you can predict the output of this code. Now we will execute this code, guys. Now how it exactly works. C will be displayed on the screen. Here, if is end with a semicolon means this statement is treated as a normal statement. So that is the reason it is printing the C here. So I is initialized to 0, I get I incremented by 1. Here I value is updated to 1, 1 less than or equal to 5, end with the semicolon. If it's end with a semicolon means the next statement is treated as a normal statement. C will be displayed on the screen, and exit of 0 means it terminates the program completely. So that is the reason C will be displayed on the screen. The control never reaches the main. The second question, int main, int I is equal to 0, I plus plus, if I less than or equal to 5, printf, predict the value of I, I'm calling the main, and else exit of 0. Predict an output of this code. These are all the following options. First option is 1 prints the infinite time. Second option is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be displayed on the screen. Third option is no output. Fourth option is compile time error. You can pause this video, you can predict an output of this code. Now we will run this code, guys. So 1 will be displayed on the screen infinite times. Infinite times 1 will be displayed. We will trace this code. So int I is equal to 0, I plus plus, I become 1, 1 less than or equal to 5. 1 less than or equal to 5 condition is true, then it's printing the 1, then you are calling the main again. So again it is reset to the 0, again it's become 1, 1 less than or equal to 5, printf, the 1 will be displayed. Again we are calling the main, again reset to the 0, it's become 1, 1 less than or equal to 5, again 1 will be printed on the screen. It is going for the recursive, that is the reason 1 will be displayed on the screen. And sometimes in the option also, if they are not giving here, sometimes you can guess the they can give the options like stack overflow also they can give the options. So based on the option you have to select. So in this code my option is 1 will be printed infinite times. If it is the same thing is the stack overflow error, you should choose the stack overflow error also. Why? Because it's printing the 1 at the end, it will show you the stack overflow. Same code, guys, but I have added static here. The same old code only. Second code, I have added the static here. Static int I is equal to 0. Same thing, but here option is completely different. And here is 1 prints infinite time. Second option is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third option is no output. Fourth option is compile time error. So almost same only. Same options are there. Yes, same options. But here only one thing I have changed is here it's a static, guys. So predict an output of this code. We will run this code. So compile, then run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be displayed on the screen. How exactly? Static int I is equal to 0. I gets incremented by 1. 1 is the updated value of 5. 1 less than or equal to 5. 1 will be displayed on the screen. You are calling the main, and reaches, and static variable holds the value for multiple function call also. It holds the value. So it's become 1. Okay, so it's already is 1, it has become a 2, 2 less than or equal to 5, and its 2 will be printed again. You're calling the main, it holds the value for multiple function call also, and 2 will be updated to the 3, and 3 less than or equal to 5, and 3 will be displayed on the scene. So keep on moving like this, and static variable holds the value for multiple function call also. So if I remove the static, guys, now it's reset it to the 0. It's 1 will be displayed at the infinite times here. And sometimes based on the options also you have to select. Sometimes this example is related to the stack overflow. 1 will be printed, but at the end stack overflow error. Stack is completely full and it's showing the stack overflow error. And the fourth question, guys, int main int a is equal to 3, b is equal to 4, c, and c is equal to b minus a. Switch off c, and case 1, this is the r operator, then followed by the 2. C will be displayed on the screen. Break case 2, and r symbol, then followed by the 1. Printf c plus plus, the break. Predict the output of this code. First option is compile time error. Second option is C. Third option is C and C++. And the fourth option is no output. You can pause this video. You can predict the output of this code. Now we will execute this code. Now we will get the compile time error. Go and check the error logs. So duplicate case value previously used. So that is the reason you are getting the compile time error. So if you want to overcome, so don't use the cases. If I use a different case, guys, here, if I use a different case, see now, so this code is work fine, then C will be displayed on the screen. So B minus A, like you can see, 4 minus 3, 1. So suppose if I take it as 5 here, so now 5 minus 3, it's 2. So if we go for the, see, nothing is printed. Why? Because case 1 only it will select, it never go for the case 2, and case 3 is not here. Case 2 is not here. Case 3 is there, C++, and default block is also not there. So that is the reason it is not printing anything. If I use a R symbol also, so if it is not satisfied, see, it will take the first case only. Here the difference is 2. Here the difference is 2, and 2 here, it won't be satisfied here. So case 1 only, it will be satisfied. Suppose if I change that into the 4, then 1 will be satisfied, case 1. So C will be displayed on the screen. So if I make it as 5 and 2 is here, but it won't satisfy that case. So no output will be displayed on the screen. That's the fifth question. Int main int a is equal to 1. Switch off A and case 0, printf C, case 1, printf C++, default printf Java. Predict the output of this code. Here is switch is end with a semicolon, guys. And these are the following options: C++, second option is Java, third option is compile time error, fourth option is C. Predict the output of this code. Now we will execute this code compiled. Okay, sorry, I noted commented this one. Yeah, it's fine now. So compile, now you will get the compile time error. If you want to check the error logs, guys, you can go and check case label not within the switch statement like this. Cases as well as the default also. Default label not within the switch statement. This is happened because of switches end with a semicolon here. If I remove the semicolon here, then this code compiles fine. If I run and case gets satisfied, C++, there is a no break here, so Java will be displayed on the screen. If I place a semicolon at the end of the switch case, so that you will get the compile type error. Hello guys, do follow me on Sukshmas for more questions, MCQ as well as the e-notes. If you are beyond knowing participant, try to enter my code and options, then post the MCQ on Sukshmas platform to get very good quality bonus points. Practice well, see you in the next session. Thank you.